Have you ever wondered about the immense scale and enduring legacy of the Great Wall of China? It's more than just a wall. It's a testament to human ambition, a symbol of resilience, and a historical marvel that continues to captivate millions. Let's dive into the history of this colossal structure, tracing its construction across centuries, dynasties, and the relentless march of time. We'll explore the various sections, from the imposing Ming Dynasty walls to the less-known, earlier fortifications. The Great Wall wasn't built in a single stroke. It evolved over millennia, reflecting the changing needs and priorities of successive empires. Each dynasty added its own mark, resulting in a diverse tapestry of architectural styles and defense strategies. One of the most remarkable aspects is the sheer manpower involved. Imagine the countless laborers, soldiers, and artisans who toiled for decades, sometimes generations, to raise this monumental barrier against invaders. While the wall undeniably served as a crucial defense mechanism, protecting China from nomadic tribes for centuries, its construction came at a tremendous cost. The human toll, the economic strain, and the environmental impact were all significant. While there are undeniable advantages, we cannot overlook the challenges that come with it. I remember visiting a section of the wall myself. The wind whistling through the ancient stones, the echoes of history whispering in my ears. It was a truly humbling experience. It's a powerful reminder of human capabilities and the enduring power of history. The wall stands as a poignant reminder of the constant tension between security and sacrifice, progress and cost. It forces us to reflect on the choices we make as a society and the lasting impact they have on future generations. Beyond its historical significance, the Great Wall is a breathtaking natural and cultural landscape. The stunning vistas, the diverse ecosystems, and the blend of nature and human ingenuity make it a must-see destination. The Great Wall of China is more than bricks and mortar. It's a story etched in stone, a lesson in history, and a testament to the enduring spirit of the human race. It invites us to explore, to learn, and to reflect on our own place in the grand tapestry of time.